Dear students of 11 Science, 11 Commerce and 11 Arts A, we have already given you two activity sheets on the pillars of democracy by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and today the third activity sheet is being explained to you, and thereafter the activities will be given to you that you have to record in your notebook. The activity sheet will be provided along with its answers. So the third activity sheet, the pillars of democracy by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, is in progress. the second thing the second thing we are wanting in its recognition of the principle of fraternity. The second principle of democracy is fraternity. Fraternity म्हणजे बंधुत्व, having the attachment that we are all belonging to one family. What does fraternity mean? What does fraternity mean? Fraternity means a sense of common brotherhood. Fraternity means a sense of common brotherhood of all Indians. If Indians being one people, it is the principle which gives unity and solidarity to social life. Unity and solidarity, एकता आणि सार्वभौमत्व ह्या गोष्टी बंधुत्वामुळे साकार होऊ शकतात. आम्ही भारतीय आहोत. माझ्या देशावर माझे प्रेम आहे. माझ्या देशातल्या समृद्ध आणि विविधतेने परंपरांचा मला अभिमान आहे आणि त्या परंपरांचा पाईक होण्याची पात्रता माझ्या अंगी यावी म्हणून मी सदैव प्रयत्न करीन. माझा देश आणि माझे देशबांधव, माझा देश आणि माझे देशबांधव यांच्या सौख्य माझं सर्व काही सामावलेलं आहे. तर या प्रतिज्ञेमधले हे जे शेवटचे काही वाक्य आहे हे बंधुत्वाची संकल्पना अधिक स्पष्ट करून मांडतात. हाऊ डिफिकल्ट इट इज can be recognized from the story related by James Bryce in his volume on American Commonwealth about the United States of America. So James Bryce, also a well-known politician and a diplomat belonging to United States of America, and he has made it very clear about fraternity, that what is fraternity. United States of America is the well-prospered country where the democracy is functioning in a different format. The story is, I propose to recount it in the words of Bryce himself, that some years ago the American Protestant Episcopal Church was occupied at its triennial conventional. Triennial conventional means where 300 years are completed for the foundation of some institution. So some years ago the American Protestant Episcopal Church was occupied at its triennial convention in revising its liturgy. Liturgy means rites prescribed for public worship. Rites prescribed for public worship. शेवटी जनता जनार्दन असं म्हटलं जाते, पाचामुखी परमेश्वर असं म्हटलं जाते. जे लोक तुम्हाला वोटिंग करतात, जे लोक तुमच्यावरती श्रद्धा ठेवतात, जे लोक तुमच्यावर ट्रस्ट करतात, त्यांना एका चांगल्या सरकारची, एका चांगल्या गव्हर्नमेंटची, सुशासनाची, कायदा आणि सुव्यवस्थेची तुमच्याकडनं अपेक्षा असते. Liturgy means rites prescribed for public worship. It was thought desirable to introduce among the short sentence prayers a prayer for the whole people and an eminent New England divine proposed the words, O Lord, bless our nation. O Lord, bless our nation. Accepted one afternoon on the spur of the moment, the sentence was brought up next day for reconsideration. रिकन्सिडरेशन म्हणजे पुनर्विचारार्थ. पुनर्विचारार्थ हे विधान पुन्हा एकदा सभेमध्ये मांडण्यात आलं की ज्याच्यामध्ये लॉर्डचा संदर्भ आहे. ओ लॉर्ड ब्लेस आवर नेशन. ॲक्सेप्टेड वन आफ्टरनून ऑन द स्पर ऑफ द मुवमेंट द सेंटेन्स वॉज ब्रॉट अप नेक्स्ट डे फॉर reconsideration. When so many objections were raised, and so many objections were raised, whenever there is new concept or idea, जेव्हा केव्हा कुठली एखादी नवीन संकल्पना समोर येते तेव्हा त्याला प्रस्थापितांकडनं किंवा इवन नवीन पाऊल टाकणाऱ्या लोकांकडनं सुद्धा विरोध होत असतो. त्या विरोधाला शासनाला सामोरं जावं लागत असतं. When so many objections were raised by the laity. Laity means members of a religious community. धार्मिक संस्थांशी निगडीत असणारे जे सदस्य आहेत, धार्मिक संस्थांशी म्हणजे विशेषतः प्रोटेस्टंट कॅथॉलिक चर्चशी संबंधित असणारे जे कोणी धर्मगुरू असतील, त्यांचे पोप असतील, तर त्या लोकांकडनं या गोष्टीला विरोध झाला. टू द वर्ड नेशन as importing to definite a recognition of national unity. राष्ट्रीय एकात्मतेच्या संदर्भामध्ये नेशन या शब्दाला विरोध झाला. दॅट इट वॉज ड्रॉप अँड देअर आफ्टर इट वॉज ड्रॉप अँड इन्स्टेड देअर वेअर adopted the words and instead of nation there were adopted the words, O Lord, bless these United States. O Lord, bless these United States. Means after all, the trust is being presented in the Jesus Christ, his ideology, his philosophy, his line of sacrifice and everything. Whatsoever it may be, the concept of brotherhood in itself is very important, and that's why we have to understand that fraternity is the only thing with help of which we can go forward and achieve something which is beyond our dreams, and it proves the oneness, the desire to sacrifice for others. So this much part is here for this activity sheet, and the passage begins on page number 37 of your textbook. The passage begins on 37 page of your textbook. The second thing we are wanting in पासून स्टार्ट करायचं तर ते क्लोज करायचं. That we have to close the passage, that we have to finish the activity on page number 38 with the words, O Lord, bless these United States. The activity sheet is here for you. A1 activity is coming here. State whether the following sentences are true or false. If the statement is false, you have to write it in a correct manner. The first statement is here. Fraternity means common sense. Fraternity means common sense. This statement is false. The correct statement is fraternity means a sense of common brotherhood. Fraternity means a sense of common brotherhood. The second statement is here. The laity objected. The laity objected to the word nation immediately after the short prayer was proposed. This statement is also false. The laity objected to the word nation the day after the short prayer was proposed. ॲक्टिव्हिटी शीट नंबर 1 मध्येच आपल्याला काही विधानं पूर्ण करायची आहेत. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस. जो पार्ट आपण कंप्लीट करणार आहोत त्याला आपल्याला कुठे अंडरलाईन करायचं आहे दॅट ऑल्सो आय विल टेल यू. नंबर 1, डॉक्टर आंबेडकर has expressed Dr. Ambedkar has expressed his deep concern over the absence of two things in then Indian society. One of them is, you have to underline the further part, recognition of the principle of fraternity. Number 2, the short sentence prayer introduced by the church was, the remaining part you have to underline, O Lord, bless our nation. Activity sheet number 2 is here. You have to complete this flow chart. Number 1, you have to write down Triennial Convention of the American Protestant Episcopal Church. त्याच्या खाली ॲरो देऊन लिहा रिव्हिजन ऑफ लिटर्जी. रिव्हिजन ऑफ लिटर्जी. रिव्हिजन ऑफ लिटर्जी नंतर पुन्हा कॉमा ॲरो दाखवा. खालच्या ओळीवरती लिहा प्रपोजल टू इंट्रोड्यूस द वर्ड ओ लॉर्ड ब्लेस आवर नेशन. त्याच्या खाली पुन्हा ॲरो दाखवून लिहा प्रेयर रिकन्सिडर्ड द नेक्स्ट डे. त्याच्या खाली पुन्हा ॲरो दाखवून लिहा ऑब्जेक्शन्स बाय laity to the word nation. त्याच्या खाली पुन्हा ॲरो दाखवून लिहा वर्ड्स आवर नेशन रिप्लेस्ड बाय these United States. A 3 activity is coming here. Fraternity leads to social stability. Fraternity leads to social stability. Explain the meaning of this statement. मराठीत सांगतो, बंधुभाव सामाजिक स्थैर्य निर्माण करते. बंधुभाव सामाजिक स्थैर्य निर्माण करते या विधानाचे स्पष्टीकरण द्या. फ्रॅटर्निटी इज अ सेन्स ऑफ कॉमन ब्रदरहूड. फ्रॅटर्निटी इज अ सेन्स ऑफ कॉमन ब्रदरहूड. It gives unity and solidarity to social life. It makes people feel that they are one. It binds people together. This in turn leads people helping each other and being एम्पॅथेटिक अँड बिईंग एम्पॅथेटिक, सिम्पॅथेटिक पेक्षाही ही एक सुपिरियर क्वालिटी आहे की जिथे तुमचं दुःख हे मी माझं दुःख मानतो. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एम्पॅथी. एम्पॅथेटिक टू ईच अदर्स प्रॉब्लेम्स. धिस अल्टिमेटली लीड्स टू social stability. This ultimately leads to social stability. A4. You have to write down the antonyms of the given words. Number 1, harmony. HARMONY, harmony. The antonym is division. DIVISION. Number 2, solidarity. 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 Antonym is dissension. DISSENSION. Oneness. The antonym is discord. The next word is coming here, tough. TOUGH. The antonym is easy. Next, problematic. म्हणजे समस्यायुक्त. PROBLEMATIC. Problematic. Antonym is effortless. And the last word is demanding. DEMANDING. The antonym is undemanding. Now the question of personal response is here. Write your views in short about role of youth in creating social awareness. The youths of today are the citizens of tomorrow. They have energy and enthusiasm. History shows them the mistakes made by their elders. They can work upon these mistakes and create social awareness as well as awareness of the need of solidarity, unity, and a feeling of empathy. They can be an active part of society. The government, religious association, etc., and steer them in the right direction. They can object to distinctions based on caste and creed. With access to information via the internet, they can inculcate the good values of other nations like a sense of punctuality, cleanliness, etc. Now, here are some activities based on textual grammar. The first statement is here, fraternity means a sense of common brotherhood of all Indians. A sense of common brotherhood of all Indians. अ सेन्स पासून तर इंडियन्स पर्यंतचा पार्ट आपल्याला अंडरलाईन करायचा आहे. सूचना आहे या वाक्यासाठी, फ्रेम अ WH क्वेश्चन. The answer is here. What does fraternity mean? The second statement is here. How difficult it is can be realized from the story related by James Bryce in his volume on American Commonwealth about the United States of America. You have to find out the prepositions used in this sentence. Number one is from, number two by, number three in, number four on, number five about, and the last one is of. The third statement is coming here. It is the principle which gives unity and solidarity to social life. The statement is here. It is the principle which gives unity and solidarity to social life. सूचना आहे या वाक्यासाठी. मेक इट सिंपल. It is the principle giving unity and solidarity to social life. The last statement is coming here. It was thought desirable to introduce a prayer. It was thought desirable to introduce a prayer. The instruction in the bracket is change the voice. You have to change the voice. They thought it desirable to introduce a prayer. And that's all, my dear students. So for this activity sheet is concerned, once again we will meet tomorrow, and this chapter will come to an end tomorrow.